So first, everyone introduce yourself, ma. How many are there? What is your? Just give your names. Okay, name and qualification and what you are currently doing. Start with this one. Okay, just a quick introduction. Then I will also give my introduction after you complete. Anyone, please start. Hello.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Hama.
Sir, my name is ITcareers, sir.
Okay.
My qualification is BTech Mechanical,
Okay.
and currently I am doing in Bangalore in VK Building Service. It's like construction come mechanical.
Okay, ma.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good, good. Okay, so and what is your expectation on this class and why you are here?
Sir, right now in mechanicals there is no much jobs are there. Okay, and in manufacturing and production industries very low now. In growth also not there. So I want to shift to this field, IT field, with a non-program inside. So in this, at least we can gain some uh, experience and in some good position. So that's all. And salary is also very somewhat comfortable in our life.
Okay, ma. Super. This is first thing. Good, ma. Thank you. Okay.
Okay,
Anything
sir.
you know about service now?
No, sir. I didn't know.
No.
So I forgot to I joined this meeting, sir.
Okay. Nothing you don't know about service now, right?
Uh-huh. No, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. Others? Uh, I am Sridhar. Okay. I have around 16 years of IT experience. Okay. And in service now, I was from last 6 years. Okay. So this is my background, and I have been teaching from last 7 years. Okay. Before I used to speak some other technology. Now I'm teaching service now. Okay. So this is the basic background for me. Okay. And Sai Kiran, you can.
I'm currently working in Capgemini, Bangalore.
Right. Good. And working on which technology, ma?
Kind of one tool related to, some half on Azure and half on one separate tool.
Okay. So it's your profile is kind of supporting these tools, or developing. How it is?
Support.
Support. Okay, app support. Good. And why you want to learn service now? Any idea about service now?
I have a little bit idea on service. Now I just want to see, what are covered under this course.
Right, right. Can
Hi, sir. Hello.
Hi, ma. Can you please introduce yourself, please?
Myself, Divya Balinini.
Huh?
Uh, Now I am pursuing degree third year, sir.
Degree third year. Good. What? Which stream, ma? Like BSc or
BSc, sir.
BSc
BSc.
Computer Science, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. So you know anything about service now?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Good. Thank you. So now let's start with the service now. Okay, we are all here to understand what is service now, right? So yeah. Okay. Anyone have any idea about service now here? Anyone here? Do you know anything about ServiceNow?
There's some kind of IT service management tool.
Yeah, kind of ITSM tool, IT service management tool. Okay. And any other things you know?
No.
Okay. So see, if we want to define ServiceNow, there are 4 definitions we can start with. Okay. So first, it is a ticketing tool. Okay. First definition is ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Okay. And second definition is ServiceNow is a ITSM tool. Okay. As Bhuvan said, it is an ITSM tool. Okay. Third one is it is a platform that runs on cloud. So it's a cloud-based technology. Okay. And fourth one is something very important is integrations. This is a advanced concept. Okay. So these are the 4 basic definitions of ServiceNow. Okay. Fine. So we'll go through one by one. Okay. So these are the 4 basics. So now we will learn these 4 basics. Okay. And once we are completed with these 4 basics, now you will get a basic idea. Like when we are learning something, what it is, we will get that point. Also, I will, after these 4 definitions, I will introduce what we are going to cover as part of the 40 sessions or 35 sessions. Okay. So this is called syllabus. Okay. So this is second thing we will be covering, and also I will be covering few more things. Okay. Like what I will be providing to you. Okay. How to prepare. Okay. What is required from your side and all. I will just give few points. Okay. This is our next maybe half an hour, 1 hour program. This is fine. You want me to cover anything else apart from this one? You have anything in mind, please let me know so that also we can cover it. Is that fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so first ticketing tool. Now we'll start with a simple definition. So all these definitions, this is first simple, and then this is little bigger, and this is little more bigger, and this is okay biggest. So we'll start with a simple definition. Ticketing tool, right? So ticketing tool. When we say ticketing tool, what is a ticket? So ticket. Anyone I have any idea in IT in IT industry? If we call it ticket, what does it mean? Anyone? Any, if whatever you know, please try to tell me. No issues. If it is right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Just try. Speak more. Even if it is wrong, also that is 100% fine. We will get at least 1 or 2 words from that definition. Okay. So see here, ticket in the sense. Okay, we'll take examples from our people only. Okay. So see here we have one person called Cycle. Okay, and we also have one more person. Okay, Bhuvan. Right. So see, 2 kind of professionals we have here. One professional is supporting some kind of job that is related to mechanical side, right? And one more, he is an IT employee, okay, who is supporting some specific tools, one application plus Azure. Okay, so I first will start with this one. Okay, let's say which company it is, ma? Which company you are working for?
Sir, VK billing service.
VK Building Service. Okay. Right, and here we have Capgemini, and Divya is a class student, right? So it won't be applicable for her. Okay, ma Divya, please stop me, ma. If you don't understand, please stop me because you are student, na. So these terminologies are very new to you. Okay, try to understand, and in case if you don't understand any word, also please stop me. Okay, we can discuss in Telugu also if everyone are fine. Okay, that particular line or sentence. Okay, ma Divya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma. So see here, first VK building solutions are there. Okay, services are there. Okay, I am a customer. I am a customer for this company, right? And I want some work from the company. Okay, so I asked them, they did it, and I again next month I asked something else, they did it. So like that, they have around 200, 300 customers. Okay, the customers will keep on come and then ask something, and these people will do it, and then they will charge accordingly. Right? It could be any work, their specific work. We don't care about it, but what we care is when a customer comes and asks, maybe this is a mechanical setter, so they will tell in a normal way, look, I want this one. Okay, then these people will do, and based on that they will charge. But let's say after 2 years, if they want to pull out a report, kind of analysis, says how many customers we did, okay, how many customers we completed so far, how much of work we completed so far, what is the status of each one, what is the start of each one, what is the end of each one, how much we charged for each one. So the analysis, the data, if someone asks to present, right, from where they will get it, right? So this is one point. Okay, here just keep one point here. Is that clear, ma? Till this point, everyone clear? Yes,
Yes, sir.
ma Divya, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now move to IT side. Okay, here also we have a team, okay, where Bhuvan is part of, right? And now I am a customer. I works for that particular client. We call it as client. Here also we call it as client. Here maybe we can call, I said customer, but here also we can call clients. Here also we can call clients, right? So this team, application support team, is supporting for one of the bank. Consider like the bank name is ABC Bank, right? Now the ABC Bank is having 10,000 employees. Okay. Now, if any employee have some issue on this application, or if any employee needs some assistant on this application, what they will do? They will consult this team. I want this one, please do it. Right? Similarly, here also they will consult. Similarly, here also they will consult. Right? You agree? Yes or no? Yeah, yes. Okay. So now here or here, either way, okay, the work is being done by few people. Okay, and we call that work as service. Okay, the first abbreviation or first definition we seen here is service. Okay, what is IT industry? IT industry is a set of people, set of companies. Or what is a company in IT? Company is nothing but a set of people who supports some clients. Clients will be anyone, maybe a bank or something. What they will provide, what they will support, they will provide service to them. Okay, so this is where the first terminology service will come. So here also, if you see first one, okay, what you are providing to your customers, you are providing a service related to your work. What here these people are providing, a service to this client, right? The word service is clear, my everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Please
sir.
confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So now when you say service, na, so 10,000 people are there. Consider like 200 people raised some request, some application access to these people, or 500 people raised it. Okay, how they will raise? They can't come and ask these people manually because they will be sitting across the globe. This is one thing. Second thing is email, right? So they can send an email to this list of team where these people can see the email and then do. But how many mails? Like 5,000 people send a mail for application support access, application access. So if any one or two emails missed, then so there may be chances to miss also. Okay. Third thing is very important thing is tracking. Okay. So let's say after 1 year, if they want to see, okay, how many tickets these people are completed for 1 year, or till today, how many tickets this group completed, right? So for all these things, there should be one system in the place. Okay, there should be a tool, a system where it needs to allow to enter the ticket. Okay, that's where a ticket is. Now we are discussing something called ticket, right? Ticket is kind of a request or an issue or something is coming from client, customer, where we provide support to them in the form of ticket. Right? Is that clear, ma? What is a ticket? Is that clear? Anyone? Okay, so let's see some examples. Okay, maybe if it is not clear, maybe after seeing these examples it will be more clear. Okay, so see, we have 5 people here. Okay, 4 people or 5 people here. Okay, now I am belongs to one IT support. Okay, I works for IT support. Okay, so first, okay, Divya, she tried to log into the system and somehow she's not able to log into the system, client system, or she's somehow not able to open the application that she daily uses. Okay, so you know MS Office, right, ma, Divya? Microsoft Office,
Yes,
you know,
sir.
right? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
you logged into the system and you are trying to open MS Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, and it given some issue, unable to open the application. Okay, what you do? If it is a personal computer, you can't do anything because we don't have choice. But if it is in a company, we will be having a team called IT support. Same like Vodafone customer care. If our SIM4 is not working, what we do? We immediately call to Vodafone customer care, where they will receive our call and then they will take our input. Then you will immediately get a message. The message will tell you, okay, that for you a ticket is created and it will be completed in 2 days. Okay, after 2 days, after 1 day, if they closed the ticket, then again you get a one more message is like ticket is issue is resolved, ticket is closed. This one everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? So now when we say now in this Vodafone example, okay, or idea example, whatever it is, okay, we are the customers, okay, and we reached them and they took our input or issue or a request in form of a ticket. So they created a ticket. Where they created a ticket, they may have a system. Okay, in the system they will create a ticket. Okay, and they once they create a ticket, the customer will get a message. They work on the ticket. So if they create a ticket, okay, within 1 day, within 2 days, it needs to be completed. So some team will work on the ticket. Okay, so we are fine now. Like a request we know, a ticket we know. Okay, but where they create a ticket, this is where our question is. Okay, so in IT we have so many tools. Okay, so in IT we have so many tools. Okay, one of the tool is ITSM Servicenow tool. Okay, Servicenow is a tool that helps to work as a ticketing tool. So now see, I have an issue. Divya have an issue, na? So let's say what Divya will do is she will open a portal like this. Okay, this is a tool we use it. But when we say Servicenow, this is the tool that she use. Okay, she will come here. As it is an issue, she will raise incident. Okay, what is incident? What is all? We will learn maybe later. But she will come here. She will open this page. Okay, and she just create one ticket like this. Okay, so customer name is Divya. Okay, maybe here I will take Divya as able tutor, and then okay, Microsoft Word is not working. Okay, so see here, I am creating a ticket for one of the customer and submitting it or saving it. Okay, in the system, in the ticketing tool, this is a ticketing tool. I created a ticket to support or to provide a service to a customer. Okay, so right from this time onwards, okay, the ticket will be assigned to some group and then they will close the ticket and the issue that is reported will be closed or completed. Okay, so here we seen a service, we seen a ticket, we seen, and also a ticketing tool also we seen. Right, ma? So Servicenow is a ticketing tool. This is what the meaning of ticketing tool, a tool that supports you to organize or maintain the tickets. Ticket is nothing but a request, an incident, or a ticket is something which helps to provide the service to customer. Is that clear, ma? Is that make sense? Sai, Divya,
Yes, sir.
is that clear? Yeah. Sai,
Yeah,
Yes,
clear?
yes,
sir. It
sir.
is.
Yeah. So that's where we starts with. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Now, what is a ticket? What is a service? Okay, it's all. This is what IT is, nothing but. IT people will provide support to some customers. Who are the customers? We don't know, but from where the customers will come? Okay, they will come to our company. Okay, our company will support them. We call it as project. Okay, so we will be supporting the project. We will be having a team, and our team people will support. What work we support? It's all depends on your skills. What technology you learn, that kind of work you support. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, now second thing is ITSM. Okay, ServiceNow. So this is a simple definition. First definition. ServiceNow is a ticketing tool. Like this tool, we have many tools in the market. There are n number of tools. Each client will have their own tools. If they don't have any tool, okay, what is the simple tool? Let's say you are a so Sai Kiran is there, na? Sai Kiran, like all the work someone are managing in your company, na? In which tool they are managing? Which tool they are monitoring or entering? Do you know the tool by any
In
chance?
no, sir. Imagine they
No.
will use our company is normal only, sir. They will use a normal Excel or Word documents. That's it.
So if they don't have any tool, okay, simple tool is Excel. Okay, they will open an Excel and they will enter manually. Okay, and they will save then and there. Okay, this tool is nothing but simple is an Excel. This tool is also an Excel. We are entering input in the Excel. Okay, in this format. Okay, if this tool is not there, you will enter in an Excel sheet. But this tool will save everything. But in Excel, you have to manually organize everything. That is the only difference. Clear, ma?
Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma Divya, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So the next definition is ServiceNow is a ITSM tool. Okay, so ITSM, what is ITSM? IT Service Management. IT means Information Technology Service Management. Okay, what does it mean? So when you say service, right? So here we see in a service, right? So what is the meaning of service? What we discussed, what is service? Can someone please tell me? Anyone? Sai Kiran, can you tell me what is service based on your understanding?
Sir, servicing is what are the problems coming from the client? We have to resolve that problem by using ticketing.
Right. So yes, so whatever we are getting from client, that is a service. What we give back, okay, to customer is a service. Okay. So when you say now, you said only issues, but not only issues, but even request also. Okay. Now I asked you to build something. That is a request, not an issue, right? So it would be anything, whatever the client is looking for, and whatever we are providing back to them is service. Right? Simple. Is that clear? Yes. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see, one second. Right. So now see, when you say service, na, what all the things will be there in service? This is what we need to see. Okay. ITSM. See now, do you know anything about development, Madhivya or Sai Kiran? You know anything about development in degree?
Development in the sense programming we have to do, sir.
Okay, right. Madhivya, you are going through your third year, right? So in second year, you got Java, C, okay, Java, core Java and all, right? Object
Yes,
oriented
sir.
and yeah. So
Yes, sir.
see, yeah, development in sense like see, like let's say I am works for a team. Okay, what we do is we develop applications. Okay, developing applications, right? So now, what are the things involved in development? First, okay, requirement. Okay, so if I want to develop one application, I want to get the requirement. What is the requirement? Okay, then developers will come and develop the application. And what after development, what will happen? What is the next step of development? Testing, right? Someone will test it. Okay, and then after testing, what they will do? They will release to production, means they will hand over to customer. Okay, release. Okay, and you developed the application. Okay, you want to provide some documentation. So here knowledge. Okay, these are all new terminologies, but these are the development terminologies. Okay, if you just start looking or learning development, then you will get it. Okay, so I just listed 5 here. These things also belongs to service. Okay, now you developed this application, you hand over to client. Okay, tomorrow 1,000 people are using the application. Okay, 5 people got issue. What they will do? They will raise a issue, right? You are following me, ma? Yes or no? This point is clear, ma? This point, whatever we discussed so far on this point, is that clear? Shall I explain in a different way?
We understand.
Ma Divya, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's say you move this application to customer. Okay, 1,000 people are using. Then okay, some 10 people are getting issue. What they will do? They will raise issue. Okay, we call it as incident. Okay, in real IT, if it is an issue, okay, it will be called as incident. Okay, so incident I took as incident. So incident management. Okay, then problem. The problem is a little bigger. Okay, then change. Okay, so like these operations. So like this, okay, there would be so many services. There would be so many terminologies before requirement. Na, let's say I am giving you work. Okay, the client will ask you how much you will do, how much I need to pay. So here you will get budgeting, right? So then how much duration? Okay, within 4 months I need to complete. Within 2 months I need to complete. Here we will get time. Okay, we will call it as SLA, right? So all these things will come when you are providing the application to users or customers. When they are giving a project, means all these phases will be involved, all these steps will be involved. Like how Divya is doing first year, second year, third year to complete a degree. Okay, when we are taking a project, we need to, these all phases will be there in the project. Okay, I'll show you one diagram. Okay, see here. Try to understand, might it's easy only. Okay, just try to understand. Okay, see here, there is an image here. You can see this image clearly. I just made it bigger. Is that clear? This image is clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so see, this entire image will tell you about ITSM. Okay, service management. Okay, when you are saying a service to a customer, service, not the word service, it involved in all these phases. Okay, so it starts from very high level. Two big client people like our owner, their owner will sit and discuss what is the project. Okay, how much they need to pay, financial management. Okay, what is the overall structure? So they starts with strategy. What is the basic strategy? Once they are confirmed, then they will hand over this to some team where they come and do the design part. So in order to complete this work, how many people we want, how much of infrastructure we need to build. Okay, in which, how much time SLA, I said na, SLM, SLA, how much time we have. Okay, how many resources, how many infrastructure, okay, building cost, everything they will design here. Okay, here it is mainly they will speak, but here they will design. This is like a paperwork. Once that is done, then they will come here. So they will do the actual project here. They will create an application, they will test the application, they will do the release to the production. They also do some change management. They also create the knowledge. Okay, so this is not like complete development. The transition is like actual work we do. Right. Once the work is completed, now we move to production, then support work. So Bhuvan was telling, na? So he supports some applications. So he supports this one. So for supporting means we call it as operations. So once then an application is in production, okay, someone needs to manage it, maintain it. Okay, so here it will come. Okay, reporting. Okay, incident management. So if the application is not functioning, so users will use incident management to report the issue. Okay, so when we see service, na, service involves all these phases. Okay, so this is ITSM, IT service management. So when we are saying we are providing a service to customer, it means that we will be doing any one of the work here from here. It could be if you are supporting any client in IT firm, okay, means you are involved in any one of the job in this diagram. No one will do everything, okay, but maybe a couple of things. If I say, na, I will be part of incident management, problem management, project management, change, release, testing, knowledge, okay, request management and SLM. So my current job involves on this part, but still I support the service. Maybe, okay, one person came, okay, he is only supporting incident management. Okay, he knows incident management, he support an application, so he knows only incident management. So whatever you see, okay, when you say a service, the service is this one, and our work will belongs to any one of these phases. This is clear, ma? What is ITSM?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ma Divya, is that clear?
So
Yes,
that
sir.
means, sir, service strategy is there in that. There are three types, sir. Service, project, financial. In that three, only one they will provide.
No, ma. When the bigger people
Complete.
are speaking, na,
Okay.
they will talk all these three. So what is
Okay.
what exactly we need from you? So that is service.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
high level. Then how you
Mm.
take it into a project portfolio, like how you divide it, how you manage this work into projects. This is this one. Then financial means how much I need to pay for you
Correct.
per year.
Okay, sir.
So
Yeah.
if you, one by one, like there, see these things are very looking here very smaller, but now each one
Yes,
is
sir.
a big. If you know
Okay.
very high level service portfolio, you will be a big manager. Okay, if you know SLM,
Okay.
you are a big manager. So each one will be having its own definitions and then their work.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
yeah, okay, so now we learn about ITSM, right? ITSM is clear, right? Now this word is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Ma Divya, is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, once we are clear, I will say ServiceNow is a ITSM tool. Okay, why I can say ServiceNow is ITSM tool? Because okay,
Yeah.
the tool that we are seeing here, see here, okay, incident management. So I written incident here, na? So see, okay, in the system, in the tool, I can create incident, I can manage incident. So this tool is supporting incident, right? And this tool also support problem management. Okay, you can create a problem, you can see all the problems. Okay, and the same tool you can also create some knowledges. Okay, knowledge means knowledge management. Okay, so knowledges you can create it, and the system same SLS. Okay, you can create SLS. Okay, so this is one tool where it gives you all these applications. Okay, you can do all the application management in one tool. Okay, all the application is nothing but ITSM. So in this tool, you can manage the entire ITSM applications. That is why ServiceNow will call as ITSM tool. Okay, so let's say I give you one project. Okay, right from scratch to end, even operations also, everything you can capture in one tool. The tool is ITSM tool. This is nothing but our ServiceNow tool here. Is that clear, ma? Why we seen ITSM? Because of this one. So ServiceNow is ITSM tool. So when we say ITSM, we need to understand what is ITSM. So in order to understand ITSM, we need to understand what is a service. So we seen service. Now we know service, and then we seen ITSM. So ITSM is also clear. Then we said ServiceNow is a ITSM tool. Okay. Then why? What is the meaning of ITSM tool? And then why ServiceNow is ITSM tool? Now we are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Ma Divya, is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir. Understandable.
Okay. So these are the true things, and these two are bigger things. Okay, bigger things in the sense the definitions are a little bigger. So ITS, this tool is a cloud tool, cloud-based tool. So do you know what is a cloud? Maybe I will skip this definition, last definition. Okay, but we'll complete this one, and then we will try to close it. So do you know anything about cloud?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, cloud is very, very, very advanced one. Nowadays everything is cloud. So the IT is changed to cloud. We need to start learning it. Cloud is nothing but, okay. So you know Gmail, na? Gmail, Yahoo, you know that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And G Drive, you know, Google Drive.
Google Drive. Yes, sir.
Okay. And all the Google applications from your Android mobile, you know.
Yes, sir.
So see, okay. So Gmail, we'll start with Gmail. Okay. You create a Gmail account. Okay. Once you create a Gmail account, then you will start sending emails. You will be receiving emails. So the emails will be there. Okay. It will be there like Gmail. Okay. And once you open the Gmail, it will be like inbox. Okay. Sent. Okay. Something like this. All the folders will come. Yeah, this one you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, where the file is saving. So see here. See, try to understand this one. If you understand this one, you see. See here. You can see one file here. You can see 3 files here. Okay. So I am opening one. I opened one file here.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Introduction file. So my question is from
Introduction.
where? Yeah, from where I opened this file. I opened this file from my C drive or D drive. It is there in my D class folder, new batch folder. So it is there in my system. Okay, it is there in this system, and I open this file from this system. This point is clear, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now you have one email. You have 10 emails. Okay. Now you opened one email today. Just open the first email. So where this email file is storing? Is that storing in your computer, local computer? So email, when you are seeing an email, okay, that is also a file. Okay, forget about email. Okay, so you are dumping your data into Gmail drive, right? Google Drive, right? Every day you can make
Yes,
it
sir. Yes, sir.
copy. So when you make a copy, now when you sync your data to Google Drive, calendar, all these things, photos and all, where these files are storing? You got the question,
In
sir?
system in Google Drive. Yeah, yes, sir.
In system means which system? Your mobile?
Is maybe
See,
desktop or mobile also, sir.
no. In that case, why drive is required? Drive is nothing but Google will take your files and then store. That means you are not
Important.
storing. It is not storing in your phone. If you are storing in phone, then drive is not required. Na? It is in your
Correct,
memory,
sir.
phone memory, right? So when
Correct.
you say drive, that means in Google server it will be saving. Okay. So see here,
Yes,
when
sir.
you are creating a account in the Google, okay, Google will, okay, so let's say your name is ABC, XYZ. Okay. So your name is XYZ. Okay. And you created an account today. So with your account in Google server, some space will be allocated. Okay. So the space is for some space for emails. Okay. For some space for photos. If you upload any photos, then the photos will go and store there. Okay. Drive something all now calendar. Okay. Books. Everything is there. Okay. If you see just Google now, and then if you see applications, you have so many applications. So you will be providing some space in the Google server. Okay, let's say Google server is there in America. Okay, San Francisco, the server is there. When you created an account in San Francisco server, the space will be allocated for your account. Now, someone sent you an email. Okay, the email will come to your account and it will store in this folder. Okay, that's what you are seeing here. Okay, when you are saying something, na. Okay, so every time you are logging into Gmail, that means you are connecting to this server. Okay, and you are accessing your data. You are getting it, ma? You are getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Sai Kiran, is that clear?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So here the main simple thing is, okay, hosting. The word we use as hosting. Hosting means who are keeping the data, who are managing the data. Okay. You are managing by yourself or someone are keeping the data and you are just accessing the data. Whatever you are seeing these examples, na, you are just accessing it. You are not hosting the data. Hosting means you are maintaining it. You are maintaining a server, keeping everything in your server. You are getting this point, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the cloud, na, when you say cloud, so let's talk about, this is a simple example. Take a big company. Okay. I have a big company, kind of a bank, and it have 1 lakh users. And it is 15 years company. So from 15 years, okay, this company have so much of data. Maybe like account details, transaction details, okay, money details, okay, everything. Okay. So now where they will store? They will store in servers. Yes, servers is the place where the information will be stored. Right. So in order to maintain this much of huge data, they have a big infrastructure. Okay. So let's say 10 servers are there. Okay. And 2 data centers are there. Data centers means, you know, data centers? Data centers are nothing but it's a place where they keep servers. Okay. 20 engineers are there. DBA, database administrators are there. Okay. Okay. 100 people are there. 100 people team are there who supports the application. So, and 2 buildings for them. Okay. 1 building is there. Okay. To support this employment. Okay. And for this 100 people, okay, 100 desktops and 100 laptops. So this is how the company is forming. IT company means this is the one. Right. So to maintain the data by their own, they need to maintain this much of infrastructure. This is where our IT companies are, right? They are maintaining the data. So when you say server information and all, they are maintaining by themselves. The company is maintaining by themselves. Whatever the company we name, na, ABC company or XYZ company. Okay. Let's say ICC Bank. Okay, so ICC Bank have this much of data, so they are maintaining their by their own. That's why they need this much of infrastructure to maintain. Okay, this is physical way of handling the data. This is like some 10 years, 7 years back, every company used to handle their data like this. This part is clear, ma? This is not cloud, but this is physical. This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, when cloud comes, na, 7 years back or something, okay, when cloud comes, what they do is, why you are making your burden, okay, so cloud, I will just take, so many clouds are there. ServiceNow cloud is there, okay, Azure cloud is there, okay, Alibaba cloud is there, okay, Oracle cloud is there, and there are many clouds are there. What is that? Cloud, Google cloud. Google cloud is Azure. No. Microsoft cloud is Azure. G cloud is also there. Google also have some cloud. That name I don't know, but okay, just say I'll say Google cloud. Okay, so these many clouds are there. Cloud means cloud services. Okay, let's say our hero, ServiceNow. So when these people have this much of data, na, these people will come and say, okay, why you are maintaining this data and it's a very huge data. Okay, give the data to us. We will host the data. Okay, and you access the data using a URL. Okay, so this is the cloud. Hosting this data by some other vendor is a cloud. Okay, now see, okay, this part is cloud. Cloud definition is clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Ah.
yes, sir.
Now understand this one. Okay, see here. I am so servicenow.com. Okay, some DEV is there. So let's say this is ICIC. Something in real time, na? In real time, it will be like this: ICIC, the vendor, the company name dot servicenow.com. Okay, like that we will be having it. We will be accessing the client data using this URL. Same like how you are accessing the Gmail. Here also you are accessing your data. So where the data is there, ServiceNow headquarters is there in Santa Carla. Okay, maybe the database is there in Santa Carla. Okay, so you are connecting to this first company. Okay, and then you are connecting, you are going to one folder. Okay, and you are accessing one thing. So let's say you are consider like this is a one email. Okay, or one photo where you stored in Gmail. Okay, so see, I am opening this photo. Photo is nothing but an information. Okay, or your email. So consider like it is an email. So you went to the company like the cloud service providers server. Okay, you went again to a folder and you opened one record or email. If you say it's a Gmail, you open an email. So you are accessing your data using a web browser. So this is what the second part in cloud. First part in cloud is someone will take the data, the cloud when someone means not everyone, someone means cloud providers, service providers. They will take your data, they will host the data in their servers, and you means here the client, the people from the bank. You access the data using a URL. Okay, this is what the cloud is. Same if you apply, if you start seeing things from now, keeping this point in mind, everything is cloud. If you just open your Android mobile, okay, so you have photos, na? You can upload the photos in Drive. That means the space will be not occupied in your local memory, but everything will be uploaded into Drive. That means you uploaded everything in Google Drive. That is cloud. Gmail, all your emails, where they are staying in Gmail server. Okay, so see things from now. WhatsApp is also there. Every day you can sync your data, backup your data, right? So simple thing is, na, okay, just remember. Okay, maybe if you want to understand the cloud easy way, okay, you are using a phone, Android phone, right? So your phone is configured with one Gmail account, right? You say yes.
Yeah, yes,
Every
sir.
day, Madhivya, you say yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the phone is crashed. Okay, you got a new phone. Once you got a new phone, what you do? You just give your email ID and like that same Gmail ID and password. Then automatically entire your data using WhatsApp data also will be coming back. Everything will be syncing, right? The same data was there in the phone, okay, in that account will also come to this data. But if you upload it into drives and calendars and all, right? The account, phone, everything, WhatsApp contacts, Gmail contacts, everything. You seen that one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how they are getting when you are loading in a first phone, your data like contacts, okay, and all your backups and all will be stored in Gmail server. When you use the different phone, the same data will be synced from the same server because you are giving the same Gmail account. So the main point here is the data is storing in cloud or the data is storing in some other external servers where you are accessing it. That's it. How you are accessing? Here you are accessing using URL and in your phone you are accessing using an application, Gmail application, WhatsApp application. Okay. So this is cloud. Maintaining your data not by yourself but using a service provider. Okay, so ServiceNow is a cloud-based technology where they will come and ask the customers to give your data and they will host the data. ServiceNow people will host the data. For that, they will charge per year in the form of licenses. Okay, this is cloud, right? Cloud is simple, na? The definition is simple, right? Yes or no? So now
Yes,
everything
sir.
is cloud. If you start saying, okay, Android started with cloud. So once Android came, before Android, Nokia was there. Nokia normal. There was no cloud system and all. Once Android came, everything is linked with Gmail account. So starts with Gmail account, ends with Gmail account. So everything of your data is storing in their servers. Right? That's why it is booming like anything. It is giving more flexibility to the customers, users. Got it, na?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, IT companies also are getting more benefits using cloud. Okay, because of that, every company is moving to cloud. Nowadays, cloud is a very advanced technology. Okay, so why? Because they are reducing the burden. Keeping their data, huge data, maintaining the data is very costly, and also they have to spend lot of efforts to that. Instead of that, they give to someone else, they pay for that. It is simple, ma. Okay, I have 5 acres farm. I give to Sai Kiran. Okay, for that I will charge from him. Like every year, you have to pay this one. If I want to do my own farming, I have to spend lot of efforts to that. Money, efforts. Okay, and main thing is convenient. If something goes wrong, then it is very burden from him. If I give to him, then responsibility on him. Na, I can easy, I can sleep easily. No need to, like, my brain will not make burden. So we are giving our entire data or burden to someone and they will manage it. For that we will pay for them. So this is what cloud, and ServiceNow is also cloud based technology. Okay, and the next is something called integration. Integration is like connecting between two platforms. Okay, for you it is little heavy. I don't touch this one now. Okay, but in simple form, tools will be there, softwares will be there. Okay, IT means softwares, applications. Huh? So one application needs to connect with some other application. There are some requirements will come where one platform, one application should connect to other application. So that will be done with integration. Okay, ServiceNow supports integrations. Okay, that's what I can say simply now. Okay, so these are the basic 4 definitions of ServiceNow. When we are learning ServiceNow, we should understand what it is. Is that clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Divya, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think we are done. Just give me 10 minutes. Okay, so I will complete that in 10 minutes. Okay, so as part of the training, okay, what we are going to learn is we are going to learn these topics. Okay, this is our topics. Okay, so this topic, all these topics are required for ServiceNow development and administration. Okay, once we learn these topics, we will be able to develop something in the application. Okay, so here we have some topics, list of topics. Okay, we will be going through all these topics. It may take some 35 to 40 classes. Okay, and they are all very real time. Okay, it is not a theoretical, more practical we see. How it is in there in real time, we will explain with those examples. Okay, so this is a course. Course, if we see course details, it takes these many classes. Okay, and it takes little 2 months or maybe 5 days extra, maybe 5-10 days extra. Okay, less or more. And every day, once the class is completed, okay, we will be providing few things. See here, as per today class, I written so many things. So I will be giving these notes to you people. Okay, and second thing is interview questions. For every topic, I will be sharing the interview questions also on that day. So see here, today we learn something. So if we see those interview questions, maybe we can say what is ServiceNow, what is benefits. This is what we see, and what is ITSM tool. Okay, so we maybe see in these 2 questions today. So like this, every day we will discuss so many questions. Then and there, I will be giving the questions also. Okay, at the end of all the classes, maybe we will get around 250 questions closely. Okay, these 250 questions are more than enough for any interview, right? So this is the second thing we will give, and third thing is every day we will be giving some practice also. So today is completely theoretical, but after 2-3 classes, now it will be more practical. Okay, we will be creating tables, we will be creating many things. Okay, so I will be also asking you people to do some practice. Okay, tomorrow when you come, build this one and then come. Okay, so scenarios I will be giving you so that you can practice it. Okay, and for each topic that we cover now, I will also give some YouTube references so that the same concept you can see in a YouTube also in a different way, so that you will learn more. Okay, so this is what we will provide on every class completion. This is clear? This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the last one is, okay, last one from my side as part of demo is, in order to enter into IT, okay, for you people, now you both or any other, okay, see here, we will be having many people who comes for a class, ServiceNow class and all, or any technology. So someone like you who wants to enter into IT, okay, want to, this is one category, okay. Second category is they will be in IT, but they want to learn some other technology. Maybe they are working on a normal technology. They want to upgrade their skills. So something like career growth. Second one, these people are like want to like learn new technology. Okay, they are already part of IT. Okay, these are second category. Okay, so these two you can keep it in mute, if you don't speak, please. Noise is coming. So these two kind of people will come to us. Okay, say they will come to us asking like, okay, please teach me ServiceNow. Okay, okay. See here for both of them in IT, there are so many tools are there. Okay, many thousand of application, thousand of tools are there. Okay, Java is there, C is there, C++ is there, Python. Okay, testing. Okay, and SAP, Azure, AWA, many are there. You know, right? You are hearing all these terminologies, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anything is fine. Okay, this general statement is any tool that you take. Okay, any tool is fine. In order to enter into IT, any tool is fine. But only thing is, okay, few things we need to keep it in mind is, okay, the tool growth. Okay, let's say I take one tool. Okay, I took one tool maybe called Jira. Jira is a tool that we use for incident management. Okay, so Jira tool won't support cloud. Okay, because of this one, now no one are using Jira. Whoever are using Jira, they are migrating to some other cloud-based tool. Okay, so if you keep this point, this particular tool is not compatible to the growth. So if I learn this tool, maybe after 1 year I have to learn some other. Okay, so this is the first point we need to keep it in mind. So when you are learning a tool, it should support you minimum 5 to 10 years. Okay, because learning something is not that much easy. You have to spend minimum 2 months of complete your efforts. Okay, then after keeping all your efforts getting a job hardly, then if the tool is not supporting, or like after 1 year if the tool is not good, then you have to learn some other, right? So first thing is whatever you are learning, it should support minimum years. So ServiceNow is a cloud-based tool and it will support minimum 10 years from now, because this is one of the such a huge tool now. Okay, I can say optimistically 5 years. Okay, if you learn this tool, it will minimum support you 5 years. You no need to see back. This is first thing. Okay, second thing, salaries. Okay, there are many tools are there. So just to tell me, okay, 5 years experienced tester, okay, 5 years experienced developer, what would be their salaries? Okay, 5 years experienced tester, he may get it maybe 6 to 10 lakhs. Okay, but 5 years experienced developer, he can demand up to 15 to 20 lakhs also. Okay, so the type of work you do, okay, support, development, okay, or development into cloud side, advanced development, okay, that also it depends. So I can say in ServiceNow, okay, 2 years experience, 3 years experience, they will also get 9 to 10 lakhs. Okay, 5 years experience people are demanding 20 lakhs also now. Okay, it's all depends on the person to person again. Okay, if they are fully technical, if they can write good number of coding, okay, everything, you can demand anything. Okay, so this tool will give you very good chance to earn money. Okay, so why can't the other tools will give? So let's take one other tool. Look at this tool. Even though you are a very good Jira developer, you have 10 years of experience, but they don't give you more than 12 lakhs. But if you have the same experience, same skills in ServiceNow, you can demand up to 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs also. Okay, the people are getting more and more like nowadays. Even 5 years experienced guy, he is demanding 15 lakhs in ServiceNow. It is true, ma. You can just create one resume in Naukri and then just to see. Okay, just apply a job or just to see how much they are offering. Okay, so salary growth. These two are main important thing. Okay, salary growth and job security also. Job security is also, it depends on the company that you join, but as you have a requirement, growth security also will be there. But these are the two main things that you need to keep when you are learning any technology. Not only this one, maybe you just completed this demo, no? Maybe you can just come back or not, but keep this point in mind. When you are learning any technology, okay, people will simply say testing is very easy, testing is very easy. But once they learn testing for 6 months, got a job, okay, if the testing job won't support them, maybe like see now earlier manual testing was there, now automation testing is there. In automation there are many things are there. Okay, so nowadays now in testing also they are kept 1 second now. In testing also they are keeping something like you should have automation testing plus one minimum coding. They should know minimum one coding. Even testers also should learn at least one coding. Okay, so see this one. The expectations are becoming more. Also, the salaries are saturated. So you are keeping so much of efforts, but if you learn a good technology, it also give you back the same results. Okay, keep this one point in mind. Whenever whatever you learn, keep these 2 points in mind, so that you select the right one. Okay, is that clear, ma? So I think I am done with the demo. So any questions from your side, maybe you can ask.
No, sir.
All good, all the definitions, everything is clear.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, ma. Okay then, so you take your
Thank you,
time.
sir. Yeah.
Okay then. Bye, ma. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, ma.